Good afternoon, students. How are you today? Hope you are still staying safe. Please stay safe and positive, okay? Welcome to today's lesson. On today's lesson, we are going to look at angles. What do you mean by angles? When we did three-dimensional shapes, I explained an edge and the vertex. Now, remember what I said about vertex, where two or more edges meet at a point. So we'll start from there. At a point where two lines meet, remember in the definition of edge, I said the key word there is line, and edge is a line. So we say a point where two lines meet is called a vertex. Here is the vertex. And the space between the two lines is what we call an angle. We have different types of angle. You must have heard it. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, angle on a straight line, reflex angle, then angle at a point. We start with acute angle. We say that an acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. Even if it is 1 degree less than 90, it is acute. Example, 30 degrees, 63 degrees, 75 degrees, 89 degrees. So long as it is less than 90 degrees, it is called an acute angle. Right angle is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. You must be conversant with this because it's being repeated often and often. You see, this is a right angle. Obtuse angle. When an angle is now greater than 90, when it's 90 standing straight, the moment it passes 90, it exceeds 90, at this point it's more than 90 but less than 180 degrees. We call it obtuse angle. Whether it is 91 degree or 179 degree, it is still obtuse angle. We come to angle on a straight line. Now, from obtuse, it gets straight. When an angle is exactly 180 degrees, we say it's an angle on a straight line. Any straight line you see, whether it is divided into 3 or into 4, the most important thing you see is that the line is straight. It means that the sum of all these angles should give you 180 degrees. Here could be A, here B, here C, here D. We say A plus B plus C plus D is 180 degrees. Reason, all of them lie on a straight line. When this angle on a straight line is divided into 2, not really equal, one could be bigger than another. Let's say here is x and here is y. X plus y should be equal to 180 degrees because it's angle on a straight line. We also call them sum of supplementary angles. When you add two angles and the result is 180 degrees, we say they are supplementary. For example, 73 and 107. We know that 73 plus 107 is 180. We say that 73 and 107 are called supplementary angles, just like right angle. Two angles that sum up to give you 90 degrees is said to be complements. We say they are complementary angles. When you divide this into 2, A and B, A plus B should give us 90 degrees because they are right angle. But we say sum of complementary angles. Okay, back to where we are. And we are done with angle on a straight line. So with this, you could see a question where you are, we have different angles. The values will be given, while you'll be asked to find the value of the other one. Knowing they are lying on a straight line, summing all of them together should give you 180 degrees. You collect like terms, add up, then subtract to find the value of the unknown. We come to reflex angle. When it is now greater than 180, but less than 360, we say that it is what? A reflex angle. Then we say reflex angle is an angle that is greater than 180 but less than 360. It is diagrammatically presented thus. It could be this way, it could be any way, it could even be this way. Look carefully. When you come to this acute angle, you see that the angle I marked is inside here. To tell you it is the space between these two. When two lines meet, we have interior angle and we have exterior angle. So having this as acute, there is also another angle existing at the back. So it is not this angle existing at the back that I called acute. This is the distance from here to here. But when you look at this reflex, you will find out that I marked the angle outside because inside here is not even up to 1/8. To show you that it is the outside that I mark as reflex. If you produce this line straight, you will find out that from here to here is 1/8. Then you add this one. Then it is now more than 1/8. But when we come here, the inside here is not reflex because this is just from 90 after 90. Take note of that. That is why if you come to this obtuse angle, I use the dotted line to show you right angle. That it have exceeded 90, more than 90, but not up to 1/8. Now, having known that, we talk about angle at a point. I think that is the last of it. Angle at a point is when the angle is exactly 360 degrees. That's why we say angle at the center of a circle. When you come to a geometry that talks about plane shapes, finding value of angles, finding length of sides, chords, arcs, and so on and so forth. When you come to your coordinates, you find out that this theorem is used. Angle at the center of a circle is 360 degrees. That is why in life they talk about rotation of Earth, they talk about revolution, which causes day and night. The other one causes seasons of the year. So this is the summary of the types of angle. Angle at the center of the circle, 360 degrees. When this angle that got here keeps revolving and covers here, it becomes angle at the center of a circle. That is why if you cut it like this and have anywhere missing, you have here as A, B, C, and you're asked to find here, you should know that this plus this plus this plus that question mark should be equal to 360 degrees because it is angle at the center of a circle. Thank you. The assignments. Next topic, we'll look at how to construct angle 60 and 90. So read up how to construct angle 60 and 90 degrees. Write down the steps in constructing them, then construct them and submit. Thank you.